carpet at Auto Neon.
When we program the machine, we program it to run as fast as possible. Depending on the thickness of the carpet, they may have to speed it up or slow it down. So right now the machine's running at like 2,700 RPMs and it puts out 3.2 stitches per inch. My favorite part of the job is not knowing what's coming next. You never know. You always gotta have an open mind, and you gotta be able to sit back and look and think to make the adjustments on it. And it keeps you on your toes. That's what I like about the job.
They run speeds up to 95 feet per minute. Probably our fastest process.
Start out with wool. All those crimps in the fiber help carry it through the entire line. The cross lapper takes the material, the web, and it just keeps continually laying it down until we get to the desired weight at the end product. So the process is a really amazing process. All our material is recycled. So all the fiber that you see comes from bottles and plastics that are recycled. About 12,000 pounds per shift, so 24,000 on a 2-shift. There's roughly 600 pounds per bale. It's been a very comfortable living for myself. I have really good team. That is a very important quality in any part of manufacturing.
In general, so we actually have 6 labs in the entire company.
Equipment that we're using on a day-to-day basis would be different various coatings, extruders. They melt the coating. Edge trimmers are there to adjust the width of the carpet to trim it down to the size that it needs to be. Sewing machines, cutter stacker, which there is a blade that goes across that cuts the carpet to the length. There is a machine there that has a set of jaws in it. What it actually does is clamp onto the carpet, it pulls it out, and when it gets out to where it wants to be on a pallet, it will drop that on the carpet, and then it will go back again for another piece.